Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use employees in your car dealer simulator game. First, understand that employees are not just extra staff. They are vital to growing your business significantly. They manage day-to-day tasks, freeing you to focus on strategic decisions. Hiring the right people is the first step toward building a thriving, multi-service dealership, ensuring operations run smoothly even when you are busy. To begin expanding, navigate to the Employee tab within your game's management dashboard. Here, you will find options to recruit different types of staff members. Salespeople drive your vehicle sales, mechanics handle repairs and upgrades, and janitors ensure your showroom remains pristine. Look for candidates with high starting skills in their respective fields, as this will save you training costs later. A well-rounded team covers all essential dealership functions. Once hired, do not just leave your employees to their own devices, invest in their development. Utilize the training options available for each staff member to enhance their selling, repairing, or cleaning proficiencies. After training, assign them to specific areas of your dealership, such as a particular sales floor or a repair bay. This targeted assignment ensures maximum efficiency, allowing a salesperson to focus solely on customers, while a mechanic works on vehicles without interruption. Keeping your employees happy is just as important as their skill level for overall success. Fair wages, comfortable working conditions, and reasonable breaks contribute significantly to their morale. When morale is high, a salesperson might close 5 more deals a day, or a mechanic could complete 3 extra repairs. Conversely, low morale can lead to inefficiency, impacting both customer satisfaction and your bottom line. Regularly check their happiness and adjust conditions as needed to keep your team motivated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.